Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to generate a QR code and how to scan the generated QR code using Java and ZSync. So we are building this project using Maven. So first I am telling you how to configure the Maven. So these are the XML version. We need to add it to use the Maven project, and this is a group ID and artifact ID where the program is there. So it's r.example is my package, so I'm giving it in r group ID, and artifact ID is my file name, so I gave it QR code generator. And I am using the version 1.0 snapshot. So the properties, these are properties of the Java I am declaring here. So I am using the 1.8 Java version. So I declared here as 1.8 compilers, Maven compiler source, and target also 1.8. So I am using the source encoding UTF-8. So I declared here in the properties. Next, we are using the repository for Maven. So I am declaring its URL here in the repositories. So, and we are adding the dependencies. Here we are using the ZSync to generate a QR. So I am giving here the adding the dependencies for ZSync. It's a group ID called com.google.ZSync, and its artifact ID core, and we need to add two artifacts here for core and Java SE. So I'm added two dependencies of version 3.4.1 for both core and Java SE. This is the Maven project we need to configure first, and so we can move on to next for QR code generator here. So I am declaring the main class and main method. So I am using the QR code generator and it's a main method. So here I am giving the string or number, anything we can. So I am giving here hello world. So I am just giving the width and height of the QR code to 300. According to our needs we can change here, and according to the string we are using we can change it here. So string, the file path of it storing that QR code I am declaring in here. This is the file path. And remember, you can use the extra slash here to use the to differentiate the folders. So this is the file name which we are going to save, and I am using the try catch block whether it's generating the QR successfully or not. So I am using try catch. So this bit matrix I am declaring here to encode the QR text and all. So it's encoding my text in this QR code. See here, QR code text and barcode format QR code. These are inside the bit matrix library, and width and height are taken as 300. So convert the bit matrix to a buffer image. Now, so we are here, it's taking a width, height and buffered image, type int RGB. So I am giving it in loop to create a image. So save the image. We need to save that image as a PNG file format. So we can use anything, JPEG or JPG, any file format we need. So I am using the PNG. So I am given here PNG. So it's so I am giving this debug line system.out.println to show the text whether it's saved to the file path. QR code saved to the file path, else catch, and it will throw the error generating the QR code. We are getting that error message. So by using this program we can generate the QR code of the defined text here successfully. So we need to import that buffered image and ZSync and image. That's it. We need to import this. So in that, if you import that thing, we can have barcode format, multi-parameter and bit matrix. So we can move on to QR code scanner. So here what is doing? So in QR code generated, we have generated the QR code in the file path D idea projects QR code.png. So in scanner, we need to declare the same file path to scan that image. If we are giving some other file path, it will throw an error. So here what we need to read that QR code. So here they are using the read. So inside the try block, we are trying to read the QR code image. So in buffered image is not equal to none. This luminance source and binary bitmap comes under ZSync library. So here it's scanning for a buffered image, which is taken here QR code file, which is nothing but the file of the QR code. So next it's reading the QR code and it's getting the result in the result. So decoding its QR code bitmap. Bitmap in the sense it has the QR code library. So since we are printing the output, so system out of QR code text, what it's get from the QR code. So result.get text, in we are converting the result into the text. So it's give the what inside that QR code. Else it will throw the fail to read the QR code image. And in catch we are giving the error reading QR code. And we are using some catch checksum exception format exception to check where it's failing correctly. So this is the program for QR code generator and for QR code scanner. Come, let's try now. So here I am going to run the QR code generator.java file. So it's building here. So now we have the output of QR code saved to this file path. So what we need to do is now we need to write the file path. So here I am hitting to run the QR code scanner program. So now it's try to read the text QR code text hello world. It was written by this program. So we can check it here. So I am using this file path. So I am just opening that image to show you how it was made. See, it was generated the QR like this. So even we can give it a numeric or alphanumeric here, it will create the QR code. Hello 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Oh, so this was the text now I am given. So I am running the program. So now it was successfully run and it was saved to the idea project QR code.png. So now again we are running the QR code scanner. It has given the exact what we have tried in the QR code generator. That's it friends. So now we can able to generate and scan the QR code, which was nowadays we are seeing most of the using that QR codes for Paytm, PhonePe, GPay, whatever it is. Nowadays QR code become very famous. So if you know how they are creating the QR code, this is the simplest form you can learn to how to generate a QR code. Thank you friends. Please consider by subscribing and like my video. Thanks.